To use Cash App outside the US, you will need to understand the limitations and requirements of the service. Cash App is a US-based platform that allows users to send and receive money, but it is not available in all countries. First, you need to download and install the Cash App on your mobile device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, you will need to create an account by providing your email address and phone number. Since Cash App is not available outside the US, you will need to use a VPN to access the service. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, will allow you to mask your IP address and make it appear as if you are accessing the app from within the US. To set up a VPN, you will need to download and install a VPN app on your device. There are many VPN options available, both free and paid. Once installed, you will need to select a US-based server to connect to. Once you have set up your VPN, you can open the Cash App and log into your account. You will then be able to send and receive money, as well as access other features of the app. It is worth noting that using a VPN to access Cash App outside the US may be against the terms of service of the app. Before using a VPN, you should review the terms of service to ensure that you are not violating any rules. In addition to using a VPN, you will also need to have a US-based bank account or debit card to use Cash App. This is because Cash App requires a US-based payment method to send and receive money. If you do not have a US-based bank account or debit card, you may be able to use a prepaid debit card or other alternative payment methods. However, these options may have additional fees and limitations. Overall, using Cash App outside the US requires some extra steps and considerations. By using a VPN and having a US-based payment method, you can access the app and send and receive money. However, you should always review the terms of service and ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations.